Hello, and welcome to Business Profile on Lifestyles. I'm Charlene Sloan, and today we are talking with Matt Snow, an attorney from Biberai, Snow and Sinclair, the Loudon lawyers, and he's going to talk to us today about domestic relations. Good morning, Matt.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
So tell us a little bit about what your firm offers in terms of domestic relations.
We do all forms of domestic relations law, or people might call it family law. It's going to cover divorce work, custody work, dealing with support matters, and a lot of things that come up with either a family dealing with breakdowns or things like that.
And what is the process when someone wants to seek out an attorney in terms of contacting you and the time frame to get things started?
Well, anytime anybody is going through a separation or divorce process, whether they're the ones initiating it or on the other side of things, they should reach out to an attorney right away, just to at least have a consultation and figure out what their rights are and their options are. One of the questions we get most often is, what are the time periods associated with a separation or divorce? Under Virginia law, if a couple has children, then the separation time period is 12 months or 1 year. If a couple does not have children, then 6 months is what is required for the separation.
Okay, so it does differ depending on the bonds as far as children go.
Right.
And what happens when you are already through the divorce process? Is there anything that you can handle as far as after that?
Yeah, afterwards, a lot of times issues come up with support-related matters or custody-related issues that are an ongoing issue after the divorce. We do handle those type of matters as well. One of the things that we advise our clients as much as possible is to maintain as much civility as they can. Sometimes it's difficult. There's a lot of emotion involved in that situation, but they can really, in the long term, really reduce their costs and time and stress the more they can try and keep things civil. A lot of times we can talk with folks and give them counseling and recommendations to help work through challenges before even having to go to court.
Right. And what about before getting married? Are there any services that you can provide before someone gets married, like a, prenup?
Prenups, yes. There are plenty of times when folks want to talk about prenuptial agreements, and that's something that we can help out with. A lot of times you can do a very structured one or a very simple and basic one. It really depends upon the needs and the interests of the couple and how much they want to try and make sure they forecast and be proactive to eliminating potential future issues.
Sure, great. And how do people find you? I know you're Loudon Lawyers, so that's pretty easy to search on Google.
Yes, loudonlawyers.com is the easy way. The other one is by the phone, 703-779-2000.
Great. And can people call you for a consultation before even coming in?
Yes, a lot of times we offer a free over-the-phone consultation of 15 to 20 minutes, just so we can help evaluate the issue and even decide whether the person needs to come in at all or not, or whether we can give them a quick answer over the phone.
Sure, great. Well, thank you for coming in. We learned so much.
All right, you're very welcome. Thanks for having me.
Sure. And thank you for watching us on Business Profile on Lifestyles.